In today's video, I'll show you how to change the background in OpenArt using an existing image and a simple text prompt. This is useful when you want to place a person, product, character, or any other subject into a completely different environment without manually removing the background in an editing program. You can create a professional studio look, a scenic outdoor setting, a modern office, or almost any background you can imagine. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical AI editing tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open OpenArt and go to the homepage. Once the homepage loads, move your mouse over the image you want to edit. When the available options appear, choose Change Background. This will open the background replacement workspace, where you can upload your main image and describe the new setting you want to create. At the top of the workspace, look for the box titled Choose an Image. This is where you upload the primary subject that you want to keep in the final image. Click the Upload or Choose an Image section, then select an image from your computer. You can also drag and drop the image directly into this area. Try to choose a clear image where the main subject is visible and easy for OpenArt to identify. A well-lit photo with a distinct subject will usually produce more natural results. After your image has been uploaded, move down to the Add New Background section. OpenArt gives you two ways to describe the background you want. The first option is to use a reference image. Click Add an image guidance, then upload a landscape, texture, room, or setting photo that you want the AI to use as inspiration. This can help OpenArt understand the composition, colors, lighting, and overall style you are aiming for. For example, you could upload a beach photo, a city street, a forest, or a minimalist studio background. The second option is to use a text prompt. In the text field at the bottom of the Add New Background section, type a clear description of the environment you want. For example, you could enter, replace the background with a modern office featuring natural lighting. You can make the prompt more specific by describing the location, lighting, colors, mood, and visual style. A prompt such as, place the subject in a bright modern office with large windows, soft daylight, neutral colors, and realistic shadows, gives the AI more useful information than simply writing, add an office background. You can use a reference image, a text prompt, or combine both if OpenArt allows you to provide additional guidance. When using a reference image, make sure it matches the type of composition you want. If the subject is standing, a background with a similar camera angle and a horizon line may create a more believable result. Also consider the direction of the lighting, because matching the subject's lighting with the new environment can make the final image look much more realistic. Next, choose how many variations you want OpenArt to generate. On the left side, you'll find the minus, number, and plus stepper tool. Use the minus and plus buttons to set the number of variations. If you choose one variation, the process may be faster and use fewer credits, depending on your OpenArt account. Choosing more variations gives you additional results to compare, which can be helpful when you are looking for the most natural background replacement. Once your image, background guidance, and number of variations are ready, click the large purple Generate button on the right side. OpenArt will process the image and create new versions with the original subject placed into the background you requested. Wait for the generation process to finish, then review the results carefully. When comparing the variations, look at the edges around the subject first. Check whether the hair, clothing, product outline, or other important details have been preserved correctly. Then review the lighting, shadows, scale, and perspective. If the result does not look quite right, try improving the prompt with more detail. You can mention the desired camera angle, time of day, lighting direction, background distance, or style. You can also try a different reference image with a composition that better matches your subject. For the best results, avoid prompts that are too vague. Instead of saying, change the background, describe exactly what you want OpenArt to create. You could say, place the subject in a clean luxury hotel lobby with warm overhead lighting, polished floors, soft shadows, and a shallow depth of field. Specific instructions help guide the generation and make it easier to achieve a consistent visual style, and that's how to change the background in OpenArt. Start from the homepage, hover over your image, choose Change Background, upload the subject you want to keep, add a reference image or text prompt, select the number of variations, and click Generate. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more OpenArt tutorials, AI image editing guides, and creative software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.